Here we go, kid. Room 318 at the Courtyard in Evansville, Indiana. I've been here many times, but this one is a little bit different. This is a 2-queen bed suite, so pretty spacious room. We do have off to our right, we have the door for the adjoining rooms. We will go over into the bathroom. You can see pretty spacious bathroom. We have the normal toiletries, soap, shampoo, conditioner, and body wash and lotion. We have the shower. Pretty clean. A couple of different adjustments or settings on the shower head, but let's go on into the main room. So we can see here we do have the thermostat on the wall. We have a microwave and then a mini fridge there. Coffee maker with the pods, regular and decaf. We have a television in the desk area. This desk does move out. You can see there. We have outlets underneath there. Outlets on the lamp. If we go on over here, we have a pull-out couch. So that is a sofa sleeper. And then we have another outlet that you could use while on the couch there. And again, 2 queen beds. No outlets over on this side here. But we do have outlets on this side. As well as you can see, not right next to the bed, but there is one over here as well. You do have another TV, pretty quality picture. I didn't go over that, but then with this here, they do have a view of the pond out front. Some people apparently call that a lake. It's definitely a pond. And then over here, you can see on this side, another couple of hotels and whatnot. But yeah, there you have it. The 2 queen bed suite at the Courtyard in Evansville. Until next time.